Hi everyone, welcome to this week's tech tip. Today we're just going to have a look at Google Classroom home page. Just a good time really to have a look at organizing your classes again, especially if you're changing classes for semester 2 and you just want to reorganize the home page here once you've created your new classes. So to access this, you just click on the three dots at the top left and go into the classes page. So the first tip I want to share with you is the ability to archive classes that you're no longer going to teach. So as you can see here, I've set up my semester 2 classes at the top, and then below them I've got my semester 1 classes. So if I click the three dots on the top right hand corner, I can then archive these classes so that I don't see them on my dashboard. Don't worry about losing the information and the data because it is stored in the archive classes here. So you can always go back to retrieve that if you need them. Second tip is courtesy of Mel and Rain in my fine arts department. Thank you very much for you guys for sharing this the other day in our meeting. The tip is to be able to rearrange your classes at the top or in your dashboard so that they appear in the order of the week. So as you can see here, I've got my Tuesday, Thursday class here. I've got my Sunday, Wednesday classes, Sunday, Tuesday classes here. So I can hold and drag the classes and rearrange them into the order that I see them in the week. That just makes it easier for you to access them during the week. And the last tip really is if you are looking to populate your teacher portfolio and your teaching and learning portfolios, you can access the drives from here, directly from here, by just clicking on the little folder icon at the bottom of the class, and that'll allow you to look through the work and select any work that you want to keep as examples for your teaching and learning portfolio. So click on the little icon, it should open another window and you should see all your assignments and your folders for each of the classes, in which you can go into those folders and then start to copy the work across. Thank you very much for listening, guys. Hope you like that tech tip for this week. Tune in again next week for another tech tip. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.